please share some interesting story about your connection with the club? I know about the shirts, the team.
Yeah, that was a very interesting story. We don't have it now. We didn't bring it, but it's you know, I write to some I think it's a marketing manager or something in the club, and I explain what we need, what kind of support we need. Then tell them that is very good, you know, for the influence for my team, and you know, we will go in Bulgaria, explain what kind of tournament we have, and it was, I must say, my big surprise. We got the shirts,
Yeah.
and not just the shirts. We got you know, all sets. It was fantastic. You know, what kind of trouble I had with them, but that's, we'll not talk about it.
Yeah, Balkan story.
The Balkan stories. So, that's
Okay.
it.
Yeah. So you're now at the tournament with. It's not that.
No, that's
Is
our
the-
fun shirts. We
okay.
made for the second tournament in Sofia when we participate. That's you know, like some kind of sportswear factory, like yours.
To know which shirt I will meet now in the semi-final of this tournament now. So, how do you feel about it? This
Well,
tournament?
I must be honest. I had very mixed emotions because this is, you know, how to say, you are best friends, you know. It's mixed with, it is a friendly or it's a semi-final match, you know, but I'm so pleased that we play. And I prefer to play in finals with you, but semi-final, okay.
We'll try to do something, but it's gonna be hard.
No, whatever results, I don't say some predictions. I like to win, but if we lose, I will not be sad or something because we lose from our friends, and that's it.
Yeah, I can't promise the same from Metodi. He's more ambitious. Okay, so what do you think about the tournament as well?
You mean this on Dimitri?
This one, yeah. This one.
Well, we are the first time here, but
I
one
mean-
sentence, it's a perfect. You know.
Okay, it's
play
indoors.
Indoors,
with,
yes. The
with
hall is
different-
fantastic.
Yeah, quite nice.
The hall is fantastic, and the organization, so okay, everything so far, and we will see for the next year.
Yeah, okay. So I would like to thank you for this interview and to give you some little present from our fan club.
Oh, thank
This
you
is autograph with from Frank
Oh,
Clark.
thank
He's a top man from Newcastle and also from Nottingham Forest.
Yes, yes.
And that's
Thank you. It's very nice. Thank you so much.
Fan club. And again, thank you. See you in the game.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.